This is room tour at the Horseshoe Las Vegas, room 1522. This is a standard 2-queen room. As you walk in, you're immediately greeted with the closet. I do appreciate that there is an extra pillow and a comforter, because not all places give you that. You have to ask. Your safe is right here. A little strange that it stands on the stand, but that's fine. And then your bathroom. Bathroom is nice. Good lighting. Toilet over here in the corner. You have your mirror. Hello. Hair dryer. Toilet paper. Towels. There's a little bit beat up, but you know, this is an older property. It probably needs a little refresh. Shower is nice and big, good water pressure, looks good. There is a connecting door here. This is a 2-queen room. The air conditioning is on. It was a little warm in here. A little icky up there, but not too bad. It's all right. You have your nice credenza right here, bucket for ice and cups. And down here, there is a refrigerator, so yay, that is very nice. We like that. And there are also drawers here if you'd like to unpack anything. Nice big TV, very big work desk, or maybe you could put makeup on, either way, with a very big mirror. Little chair over here. You have your little footstools if you'd like to sit down, or a viewing area. Of course, you do have your telephone right here, lamp. There's a charging station, which is nice. You can set your phone on there, and there's also different plugs, so it's got all of the plugs. I do not have a very good view. I did not want to pay for the upgrade, so it is just the other end of the tower that faces the fountain. Paris right there, and you can kind of see the fountains just on the edge. I was hoping I would get this fair view, but that's okay, it's fine. I'm here for 2 nights. So this was a quick room tour at the Horseshoe Las Vegas. If you like this, please thumbs it up and subscribe, and until next time.